Hello guys, hi, I'm Vin.
I'm Tan.
And Sabine. And we are here at Sky Ranch, Pampanga. And we're riding a double-decker carousel.
Wow.
So, hello guys. This is Sabine's first time to ride a carousel.
Yay!
Yay!
The wheels on your bike.
Fast and round and round.
Ay, iba? Halito ba?
Pati kami naging bata.
Wow, sabi
Wow.
na, piano ko siya sa wall para ma-feel.
Wow, Sabine.
Meron pa nga tayo.
Yan o.
Ay, may ganun din.
Carousel sa taas din. Wow.
Cinderella siya.
Dito kami nakasakay. Ayan o. Princess.
Princess.
Mamaya, doon kami sa Ferris wheel. Hi guys! Kaway ka doon sa bit. Hi guys! Hi guys!
Bumper, ano bumper boat?
Oh, may bangka doon.
May magbangka din.
Hi guys!
Gusto ng bangka ni Sabina.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hello guys! Nasa Ferris wheel kami.
Tadisik pa ito. Natatakot
Pampangas ay... Pampangas ay...
Daddy, mapanata.
Mabangas yung mami niyan.
Mapapanata ako. Bakit na sabihin?
Bye-bye!
Sabina. Ayaw ko na. Sabin.
Bababay!
Na. Bilisan mo.
Relax ka na.
Ay, nagagawin, Sabin. Sabin ang tagal. Nandito tayo. Ay, Jesus. Agin na ba?
Happy na ba niya?
Ano yung phone? Walang seatbelt?
Wala.
Are you ready, Daddy? This is for Sabine.
Yeah.
For the win.
Okay. Pakasyon na lang po. Sir, dito po kayo. Yes.
Daddy.
Pero ka nakuha ang 10 points na? Kamay ka rin sa gabi ako. Thank you! Dead points. Okay, congratulations na. Thank you.
Yay! Not bad. For Sabine.
Sabine. Wow. Rainbow. Hi, Sabi.
My newfound friendship.
Hello guys, and today birthday na ni Vanessa, so ayun sila, andun sila sa balcony, nag-hi guys sila dun. Ako, yan, nagdito, yan, birthday niya. Sana hindi niya ako nakitang nagpe-prepare kanina, so surprise natin siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Si Sabine, 11 months niya.
11 months. Lagay mo na dalawa, 11.
Ayan, guys. 11 months ni Sabine. Birthday ng mami ni Sabine. Anniversary ng daddy, mami yan. Oh. Happy birthday.
Ay, mali yung
family. Ay, dito.
Family.
Family.
Family. Kiss ko ay, wala.
This is all I know. Kain siya na.
Kain siya na. Vegetable.
Wow! Naki-birthday. Ay, birthday niya din.
11 months siya.
Sabine!
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel the love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore.
So much love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You're brighten my day, showing me my direction.